Hello, Rochester residents. As we're here welcoming this wonderful, frigid, cold weather, we would like to take the opportunity to talk to you about ways to stay warm and to stay warm safely. Fires caused by portable space heaters often start due to overloaded outlets, overloaded power strips, and heaters placed too close to furniture, bedding, or other combustible items. So please remember these safety tips. Always be sure to purchase UL-listed devices. Only use heaters when necessary and in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Plug heaters directly into the wall outlet, not power strips. Keep at least 3 feet of clearance around all heaters. Never leave a portable heater unattended. Turn heaters off and unplug them when leaving the room or going to sleep. Lastly, please be sure you have working smoke and CO alarms in your home. Early detection and notifications save lives. If you need assistance obtaining or installing smoke or carbon monoxide alarms, contact us at 603-330-7160.